You get to open one door a day until Christmas. Okay? No, wait. This is the door you get to open. The one that says number 1. Can you open that door? Good, open it up.
This one?
No, this one right here.
Oh.
No, not that one. This one. Can you get it?
I can't get it.
What is it?
I can't get it. I need Woody.
Let me see. Hold it up. Wow, that is cool.
I need to find Woody first.
Oh, we have to wait a couple days.
That's actually fun.
What?
I want my dad. Yeah.
What's his name?
Widget. Mommy, what is it?
Can you get it? Number 2. Nope, not that one. Right here. Stand up on your stool. What is it?
It's me.
Oh, cool. There you go. What is it?
It's fun.
Ooh, you like that?
I open this. I open this there.
Mm-hmm. Don't open any more, though. You gotta wait till tomorrow.
I probably want it in it.
No, don't open it. What is it?
It's Harvey.
What is it?
It's open.
It's a Hershey Kiss. It's candy.
Open. Wait, grow it.
Let's see what it looks like. Yummy.
Mama, open mine there.
Yep, you only open one.
Fun on my teeth.
No. Don't open. Nope. Look. Just one a day. What is it?
It's a necklace.
Wow, that's pretty. Do you like it?
Yeah, open one.
Yep. We just opened one.
There are powers in there now, Rosie.
Oh, you don't want to wear it?
I can't do it.
Why do you want to put it away?
I can't do it.
Why are you putting it back? Don't you want to wear it?
Mama, take this away. Mama, I need one. Mama, I'll open this one.
Oh, so now we have to move it back?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you can open this one.
Ah,
What is it?
I'll open this too. I'll open this too.
What is it?
It's ready.
It's Woody? Let me see. Cool.
I'll find this one.
Oh, we just have to wait.
I can't find this one.
Whoa, wrong one.
Huh?
Wrong one.
Huh?
Here. Nope, that was... Open this one. What is it?
I don't know what it is.
You don't know what that is?
I don't know.
Is it an army guy?
Yes, it is Army Guy.
You like the army guy from Toy Story? What is it?
I know it is.
What is it?
I know.
What is it?
It's yellow.
Cereal.
Oh no. Can't do it. I can't do it.
What do you think? Is it good?
Halloween! Halloween! It's Halloween!
What is it?
It's Halloween!
A ring?
I heard some goat in there. Mama, I want to touch it.
What is it?
I want to touch it. I want to touch it. A tattoo!
What is it?
A tattoo!
It's tattoos?
Yeah.
Let me see. Hold them up. Where are you going to put them?
I put a tattoo.
Do you want to put them on your leg or your arm? Or on your toe?
My boo-boo.
On your boob?
Go ahead. What is that?
I know.
A what?
I know. It's a candy.
Do you like candy?
Oh no. Check it out. Good. It's good. How is it?
Another Woody?
Yeah.
How many do you have now?
It's two. I have two now.
Cool.
It's a big Woody.
That's a big Woody?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Why did his head move?
His head moves?
Yeah. Daddy too.
What is it?
It's a know it is. Hey,
What is it?
it's a pinky punch.
Mr. Prickly Pants?
Pour down in it. Pour down in it there.
What's in there?
Down in it. Pour down.
The doll?
Yeah. I'm gonna get out the tail bunny and I go down. Okay, the pinky punch.